Hello, I'm Pauline Wiles. I'm a website designer and I specialise in effective and attractive websites for small service-based businesses, very often for solo entrepreneurs. I would love to talk to your group about how to create a website that is both appealing and gets the business results that you want. So, depending on your members and their interests, that might mean we talk about how and why you should keep your website more simple than you might imagine. Why it's essential that you write your services page to focus on the outcomes and the benefits for your client and not the actual process that you follow. Some classic design mistakes and how to avoid your website looking dated. And perhaps also some considerations to keep in mind when you think about how search engines will find your website. You can see examples of other talks I've given and some testimonials on my speaking page. If this topic is interesting to you, then I'm available, of course, to talk by Zoom or for in-person meetings. I love giving presentations like this, so I hope very much that you'll get in touch.